thinking about you all day. Trying to get my fingers around your skin, but not the wrong way. Not too soft, not too hard, but just the right way. Trying to get my lips up on you slightly. I might be going off that liquor, but you keep me focused. I wrote this just to show you how much that you provoke this. I'm open. Your aroma got me stuck like I'm feeding. Even if I'm dreaming, one quick here to satisfy all my demons. Quickly deceiving, all I ever do, think about me and you. And I'd be wrong if I keep you and separate from the crew. But I ain't no ball hog or player head. Pass it to the left of my nigga fade. I ain't even tripping, just make it back. Take my time and I pass it back. Cause I'm a grown ass man and I back it up. Never let another man hook me up. Take my time when I'm stacking up. Hit it looking hard, gotta pack it up. And I slow it down so we can smoke and ride. It's just that Mary Jane on my brain. All I need is to survive. You all I need in this life. No longer struggle to get by. Keep me focused to survive. This life I'm living is trifling, but I ride. You all I need in this life. No longer struggle to get by. You keep me focused to survive. This life I'm living is trifling, but I ride.
You all I need, been thinking about you all day. But fuck that stress, you that bitch that keep me at my best. Through them long nights when a nigga be thinking about wildin'. That's on my life, when I'm with you, you keep me from violence. You can take my hands just so you can take me away. Time and time I push you away just to get my head straight. Cause when I'm not, I think about a lot of shit. And then I come back and you get me through that bullshit. And then I tell them niggas that's what it is. I know you done hit it once, but it's coming back to this. And that's coming from a real nigga. Real recognize real as the smoke get thicker. Nah, I like my bitch a little thicker. So when I hit her, I'll think about fucking with her. And now I feel like I'm on top of the world. Just me and my girl.
You all I need in this life. No longer struggle to get by. Keep me focused to survive. This life I'm living is trifling, but I ride. You all I need in this life. No longer struggle to get by. You keep me focused to survive. This life I'm living is trifling, but I ride. Miss Mary, thank God you keep me sane. Can't even think of the last time I went.